Okay, page 324. Ready to read. Rodrigo has 2,490 stamps in his collection. He divides his stamps equally among his 6 grandchildren. How many stamps does each grandchild get? Show your work. Let's circle. He has this many stamps, this many grandkids, and underline the questions. How many stamps will they all get? Okay? In the middle of the page, write very small. I have to write smaller than that. Sawyer? Okay, toolbox. Dirty monkeys smell. And I'm going to put the toolbox over here this time. Let's do skip count by 6. Ready? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 46, 42, 48. Okay. Let's look at the next problem. I have 4 numbers in my dividend, and the divisor is 6. I ask myself, does 6 go into 2? No. Pick up your pencil. 6 goes into 2 0 times. I underline the next larger number, 24. How many times will 6 go into 24? Let's go look at our toolbox. 1, 2, 3, it's right there. 4 times. Am I going to use 4 or 400? That's right, 400. I'm done with dividing. I'm going to multiply now. 6 times 4 is what? 24. I have 2 zeros on the top. 2 zeros on the bottom. Now I'm subtracting. I only have 90 stamps to give 6 grandchildren's left. He's almost done. I ask myself, does 6 go into 9? Well, hold on, we missed a step. We have 2 in our dividend, so put 2 slashes up at the top so you know you can get to the right answer. All right, does 6 go into 9 how many times? Show me with your finger. That one's easy. 1. Am I going to do 1 or am I going to do 10? 10, because we're in a hurry. We got to take shortcuts. 6 times 1 is what, Abel? Is 6. What did he say, class? 6. Thank you. I have a 0 at the top. I need a 0 at the bottom. Then I subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. Are we done? No. We have more stamps to give away. So we have 2 numbers in our dividend. I look at the first number. Does 6 go into 30? Shake with your head, yes or no. It doesn't. No. Does 6 go into 3? No, it does not. 3. But if I make it a larger number, does 6 go into 30? Let's look in my toolbox. I see it, I circle it. Let's count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times 5 is 30. I'm going to shoot the answer up here. I'm going to subtract what I just figured out, and I'm done. I take everything in that box, and I add it together. 400, done. 10, done. 5, done. 5 and some zeros is a 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 400. Every grandchild would get 415 stamps from their grandpa.
That's a lot of stamps.
All right, let's go down to number 3. Ready to read. A city decorates trees with a tiny white. They use 1,275 lights to decorate 5 trees. Each tree has the same number of lights. How many lights are on each tree? Circle. lights? How many trees? Good. This is your divisor. This is your, I'm going to put it up there. This is your dividend. Underline the question. How many lights are on each tree? I'm not going to worry about what Ammon shows. I'm going to use I'm going to use his area. I'm going to use his area to write my problem. I'm going to actually make it a division right there. 1,275, right, like little, times 5. Dirty monkey smell. And I'm going to put my toolbox. Oh, they don't leave us tons of space. It's so hard. Toolbox, let's do it right there. Ready to skip by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Let's try it again with all of you talking. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Stop. I have 4 numbers in my dividend. I'm going to put 4 slashes on top. Going to look at the first number, number 1. Does 5 go into 1? Does not. But if I make it a larger number, 12, let's go find that in our toolbox. Brandon, go sit at my table. Let's count down how many times it does it. 1, 2. I put a 2 right there. So I did divide. I'm ready to multiply. But am I going to multiply 2 or 200, Caleb? 2 or 200? Yes, 200. 5 times 2 is 10. I have 2 zeros on the top. I put 2 zeros on the bottom. I subtract next for my step. Done. Ready to start again. I have 5 divided into 275. I have 3 numbers for my dividend. I'll put 3 slashes. Does 5 go into 2, class? No. Does 5 go into 27? Let's go find it in our toolbox right there. Let's count down how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Is it going to be 5 or 50, Chance?
50.
Right. We're using the power of 10. So I did division. I'm ready to multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. I have a 0 on the top. I put a 0 on the bottom. I'm subtracting next. 25. So I'm taking 5 into 25 next. Let's see if 5 goes into 25. Look at our toolbox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. I'm done. I add up everything inside there, and I get 255 lights on every tree.